Hi fellow moms and dads, my name's Nicole and I'm a pediatric occupational therapist that specializes in pediatric feeding. I know we share the same feelings of shock and maybe even a little bit of sadness when we realize just how fast time flies with our little ones. Wasn't it just yesterday that we brought them home? And now you're scouring the internet searching for tips on weaning. Is baby-led weaning safe? Where do I even start? And it gets to be a little bit overwhelming with all the information that is available to us. And with the limited time we have as parents, we really value a resource that can give us all the information that we need in one location. I've spent the last several months reaching out to my over 10,000 YouTube subscribers and email subscribers, trying to get a pulse of what content would be most helpful for new parents. And to my surprise, so many parents are looking for more information on how to wean their child to solid foods. Many parents shared with me that they just felt like they didn't have the foundational knowledge to feel confident enough transitioning their child from milk to finger foods, like in the baby-led weaning approach. So this feedback helped me come to a major realization that a major component in parents feeling confident enough to give their child solid foods is actually knowing whether or not their child is really ready. And also how to talk to their doctor about it knowledgeably so that it garners support and collaboration from their pediatrician. And it can be difficult because unless you're trained to see these readiness signs, it's easy for parents to miss subtle cues that may indicate that actually your child isn't quite ready for solids. Many of us rely on our pediatrician's recommendations in terms of when and even how we should start our solids. And this is completely understandable. While doctors are very good at what they do, the truth of the matter is they aren't feeding specialists. Many of them just don't have enough information on the topic to be giving accurate recommendations. So Weaning Essentials was designed for the parent who's feeling lost, overwhelmed, and really just wants a breakdown of the basics. It's also for the parent who may already know they want to take a baby-led weaning approach, but feel like they need more evidence to support why this makes sense for their child developmentally and how they can relay this information to their pediatrician clearly and knowledgeably to elicit a more supportive and collaborative response from their pediatrician. I am so very excited to share this information with you and most importantly to help you get rid of the feelings of overwhelm, stress, and overload. I can't wait to see you guys inside Weaning Essentials.